Badiare nemereddwa era I am here to tell it. Nasuze nsaba naye nemereddwa. Oluga, the word that entered my ear accidentally, it was not meant to be heard by my ear. Dearly, Shida Gashumba has decided to be part of a beautiful family of Deputy Speaker. Deputy Speaker Mwami Tayebwa Tomasi ne Shida Gashumba. They are doing it like this every day and night without condom. Abatamanyi Deputy Speaker Mwami Tayebwa Thomas, he has a beautiful family and a beautiful wife. They have only one son. Only one son that they prayed for 9 years and God answered their prayers. Right now, Shida Gashumba has Yasimi, a very part of that family. Baby Bezina, Shida Gashumba, ne Mwami Tayebwa Thomas, Deputy Speaker. They are doing it. They are doing it. Abatamanyi Thomas Tayebwa, he's a guy that fundraised for a village something, and his village raised a lot of money in just a few hours. Oba yo guy mumujjukira. Nenda mubaletera bamada n'ebifaananyi n'emboozi ye nenda mubaletera abaddiyaale. Hey!
I just woke up. I saw some lady running, wasn't it around second what? A video on me that I'm sleeping with some celebrity woman, some celebrity lady in town, and she appeared serious. Breaking news. I found she's doing that because she's hiding in Canada. She's in Canada. She's on TikTok. My wife was the first to send it to me. She's in Canada. She's on TikTok. She's talking authoritatively about someone whose number I don't have, someone whom I've never spoken to, and say the person. Then now she has talked about another MP here. Also, I sent him a message, one of our colleagues, saying they've also added you, and because because TikTok pays, people are desperately looking for content, so they just go. Someone called Ebya Senga Acid. You first hear Acid. She's a Mchiga from. She abuses, she attacks people in Uganda, but she's a Mchiga from here, Kabari.
Nzukuse naye obenda mugamba senga ngobuze ekimbuziza mbadde wansi w'ekitanda. I am hiding. Speaker wa Parliament mulamba agambye wankwatirako agenda kusalako obulago era n'agamba sikola ekiraamo tewagenda kubeerawo olumbe bagenda kumukwata kiifuifu kunziika. That is not right. If you think what I said is not okay, take me to court. We mutyo we mwatta jjajja Ichuli mutiisatiisa abantu ku bizibu Uganda byerina a whole speaker of parliament mu kifo ky'okuddukira mbu n'abantu bafa ekiruddu. You're looking for a woman in Canada ate n'ekirala. Speaker, njagala nkutegeeze, we are not hiding in Canada. That sort of intimidation era, when they come to Uganda, they take me to court. Do not intimidate me. Era ne wanookera n'onsalako omutwe era naawe ojja kufa. Mwebale nnyo wammwe.